Hello there, hopefully you are doing well. In this video instruction I am going to show how you can add a YouTube short video on your website. First of all, you go to your YouTube and copy the video URL. Just click right button and copy this video URL. On the page where you want to add your YouTube short video, just drag the video widget, okay, and paste the URL. Just paste. Okay, you see that nothing is showing, and you see that this is short. Just replace it with embedded, okay. And see that the video is showing, okay. So that's it. This is the process how you can add a YouTube short on to the website. Click publish. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video instruction. Bye bye.